Let us study the third question from exercise 3.1. Vani, her father, and her grandfather have an average age of 53. One half of her grandfather's age plus one third of her father's age plus one fourth of Vani's age is 65. 4 years ago, if Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani, then how old are they all now? Here they given three conditions. First one is this all the ages. Now the average is given. Okay. First is the average age 53. Second is one half of grandfather, then one third of father, okay, and one fourth of Vani's age. This plus here we need to add plus this all is equal to 65. It is the condition number. This is the first condition. Second condition. Then third condition, 4 years ago. 4 years ago means before 4 years. Vani's grandfather was, this is the third condition, was 4 times as old as Vani. That means 4 multiple. Then how old are they all now? Now what is the present age? That is the question. So we can take three variables for their ages. Vani, her father and the grandfather. Okay, we can consider X be the Vani's age, Y be the father age and Z be the grandfather age. Okay. And for the next last now no need to write to find. First let X, Y, Z be the present age of Vani, her father and her grandfather respectively. Okay. Now first condition 1. What is condition 1? The average age of this all three persons is 53. Average means when you are adding 2 number you have to divide by 2. If you are adding 3 number means you have to divide by 3. Here 3 age we are adding, so it is divided by 3. Condition 1, X plus Y plus Z divided by 3 equal to 53. Okay, now we can cross multiply. So what you get? 3 into 53, it is 159. So X plus Y plus Z is equal to 159. You consider this as equation number 1. Next, what is the second condition? It is one half of her grandfather. One grandfather age is actually Z. One half means 1 by 2 Z plus one third of her father. Father age is Y, so 1 by 3 Y plus one fourth of Vani's age, so 1 by 4 X. Okay, the order is changed, but we can write it, no problem. At last we can write in the correct order, is equal to 65. Now 1 by 2 into Z means Z by 2 plus Y by 3 plus X by 4 equal to 65. Now all the denominators are different. Find the LCM and add the value. Okay, 2, 3, 4. What is the LCM? Here 2 and 4 have common denominator, common divisor. So we need to find and write. Don't multiply and write the denominators. Okay, 1, 2 is 2, 3, then 2 2s are 4. Again using prime number 1, 3, 1. Again using prime number 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 is the denominator, common denominator. Now 12 divided by 2, 6, 6 into z, 6z, plus 12 divided by 3, 4, 4 into y, 4y, 12 divided by 4, 3, 3 into x, 3x is equal to 65. Now you can cross multiply and write the terms in the correct order. So you will get 3x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 65 into 12, that is 780. Okay, so you get this is the second equation. Next, what is condition number 3? Four years ago, what is Vani's age? 4 years ago, Vani's age is x minus 4 and grandfather age is z minus 4. Okay, by the condition, how to write? By the condition, we can write as, here they given 4 years ago, Vani's father age was 4 times as old as Vani. Okay, so Vani's father age is z minus 4 is equal to 4 times Vani's age, that is x minus 4. Okay, now we can simplify this. So what you get, which implies z minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 16. Now take all the variable terms in the same side and constant in the other side. So you will get 4x minus z equal to this z we are taking to x with the x term, and minus 16 we are taking with the minus 4. Okay, so minus 16 will change as plus 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. Are you clear? So this you consider as the equation number 3. Okay, solving 1, 2 and 3. Now in the solving, you see the third equation. Actually we need 3 variable in 3 equation, but in the third equation in only 2 variable x and z. So try to change the first and second equation in x and z. Okay, first equation coefficient of x is 3. Here not x and z, y coefficient we need to change. We need to eliminate. So first equation y coefficient 1 and second equation y coefficient 4. So when you multiply the first equation using 4, you can eliminate the y term from the first and second equation, and you will get the another equation in x and z, and you can solve again. Okay, multiply equation 1 by 4. We get 4x plus 4y plus 4z equal to 159 into 4, that is 636. Okay, you consider this is equation number 4. Now you can solve second and fourth equation. Since we need to eliminate the y term and the coefficients are same with the same sign, we can subtract. Okay, now equation 2 minus equation 4, you will get 3x minus 4x is minus 6, 4y minus 4y it is 0. Next 6z minus 4z is plus 2z. Okay, 6z minus 4z it is 2z equal to 636 minus 780, it is 144. No. Yes, 144. This you can consider as equation number 5. Now you see the third equation, that is in x and z. Fifth equation also x and z. So you can solve and eliminate one term and find out the another term. Okay, now both the terms have the coefficient in one of the equation. Okay, so we can multiply the fifth equation by 4. So you will get minus 4x and the fifth equation, and the third equation 4x, you can eliminate 4. You can eliminate the x term. Or if you multiply 2 in the third equation, you will get the z coefficient equally and you can eliminate the z term. Okay, I am going to eliminate the x term now. So equation 5 into 4, you will get minus 4x plus 8z equal to 144 uh, into 4. Okay, 576. So you get the x coefficient equally in the third and the sixth equation. So you can solve this by adding and find out the z value. Okay, so equation 3 plus equation 6. So 4x minus 4x is 0, minus z plus 8z, that is 7z, equal to 576 plus 12. It is 588. Okay, now we can find out the z value, which implies z is equal to 588 divided by 7, that is 84. Using 7 table, you can cancel. 1 7 is 7. 8 7s are 56, remainder 2, 28. So 4 7s are 28, it is 84. Okay, so you get the z value is 84. Substitute this z value in the this fifth equation. So the fifth equation becomes minus 6 plus 2 into 84 equal to 144, which implies better this no, not this one, third equation you apply. It is easy calculation. Okay, 4x minus z minus 84 equal to 12, which implies 4x is equal to 84 plus 12, it is 96, which implies x is equal to 96 divided by 4, or you can cancel from here itself. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So x is equal to 24. Okay, now this x value and y value you can substitute in the first equation. So first equation becomes x value 24 plus y plus z value 84 equal to 159, which implies 84 plus 24 is 108. So y plus 108 equal to 159, which implies what is the y value? 159 minus 108, that is 51. So y equal to 51. Now you get the x value, y value, z value. What is this all? That are the present age of Vani, her father and her grandfather. So we can write the answer. Present ages of Vani is x value 24 years. Her father is y value 51 years. And her grandfather is z value 84 years. Okay, are you clear? So we can find out the different values using this algebra like this. Okay.